Intecro Robotics Inc. has been delivering highly autonomous robotic welding solutions for more than 15 years. Serving customers in more than 20 countries on both sides of the hemisphere, Intecro Robotics Inc. is proud to be a preferred supplier of robotic welding and assembly solutions for many industries. From our headquarters in Illinois and sales and service organization covering the entire United States, we supply some of the world's largest and most complex robotic welding lines to many industries, such as shipbuilding, aerospace, defense, railway, commercial vehicles, machinery, power generation, battery platforms, and much more. We are aware of the need for onshoring manufacturing and making it sustainable in today's labor shortage environment. We prefer to address our customers as partners. Intecro Robotics Inc. aims to be a value and technology provider to manufacturers, rather than a conventional supplier. We're cordially invited to visit our facility in Chicago, where our team will demonstrate our solutions for welding, additive manufacturing, and battery assembly solutions. With the vision of innovation and partnership, we will keep on pushing the frontiers of robotics, AI, and process technologies, continue our mission of maximizing our partners' profitability. Intecro, more innovation.